How to fix voicemail not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search voicemail app. Now click on voicemail app, scroll down, click on clear defaults. After click on clear defaults, voicemail will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on more connectivity options, scroll down, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, this will reset all network setting and executed Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on search bar, search update software, then click on system updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.